Hello, my mathematicians. Today we're going to be looking at lessons 9.5 and 9.6, which is about finding patterns within numbers and within data. So let's look at the first problem. It says, on the first week of school, Joel purchases 2 movies and 6 songs from his favorite media website. If he purchases the same number of songs and movies each week, how does the number of songs purchased compare to the number of movies purchased from one week to the next? So, week 1, we have 2 movies and 2 songs. So in week 2, we'd add 2 to this, so it'd be 4. We'd add 6 to this one, 12. So we're going to finish this off. 1, 2, week 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. So what we need to know is the relationship between here and here. Well, we have 2 and 6, 4 and 12, 6, 18, 8, 24, 10, 30, 12, 36, and 14, 42. So, in other words, what we want to see is what do we do here to get to here? So what do I do to 2 in order to get 6? What do I do to 4 in order to get 12? What do I do to 6 in order to get 18? Well, I'm getting bigger, so it means that I'm either multiplying or adding. It's the same rate each time, so I'm going to be multiplying. So we're going to be multiplying by what? Well, what do I multiply 2 by in order to get 6? I multiply by 3. Let's just check it. 6 times 3 is 18, 10 times 3 is 30, 14 times 3 is 42. So good. So my answer to this question is that the number of songs he purchased is 3 times the amount of movies that he purchased. Okay? So again, just looking at the relationship between my sets of numbers. So let's look at another problem. It says, when Alice completes each level in her favorite video game, she wins 3 extra lives and 6 gold coins. What rule can you write to relate the number of gold coins to the number of extra lives she has won at any level? Then how many extra lives will Alice have won after she completes 8 levels? Well, first, let's stop and look. So for level 1, 3 and 6. Level 2, 6, 12. Level 3, 9, 18. Level 4, 12, 24. Okay? So we're trying to figure out a rule that will tell us when we have a certain amount of gold coins, what we do to figure out how many extra lives there are. Make sure I'm missing that. Yeah, the number of gold coins. We're relating the gold coins to the extra lives. So we're going this way. So we're getting smaller, so that means we're going to be dividing, okay? And what do we divide 6 by in order to get 3? What do we divide 12 by in order to get 6? Well, we divide it by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9, 24 divided by 2 is 12. So now, we want to know how many extra lives that she'll get when she has 48 coins. Well, 48 divided by 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 0. Bring down your 8. 2 goes into 8. 4 times 8, 0. So 24. 24 extra lives. So again, this is a lot about patterns. We've done patterns before. So now you're just comparing this to this. So you have two, I guess, patterns that you're then comparing in order to see what the relationship is between those two patterns. I'm going to leave you with one problem to solve, and then I'd like you to rate your level of understanding using FIST to 5.